truck's asking for an oil change. I had and got some oil. Takes 0 to 20 full synthetic. About 8 quarts. Some places say more. I get about 10, and then if anything, I just pour how much ever I need and have some extra. I use wicks for all my cars. It's a little spendier than any other filters, but it lasts. So yeah, we'll jump into it. First things first, put some gloves on. I'm actually gonna challenge myself to do this oil change without getting any oil on my hands or on my skin or my shirt. That's never worked out before, but we'll give it a shot. Let's get under there, see what we have. Put a piece of cardboard because, as usual, oil just goes everywhere. So there it is. Drain plug, filter. Everything is still super hot. You think you want to wait till it cools off, but it's actually better to drain the oil when it's hot. So we're gonna do our best to not burn my hands or anything. Let's do it. Should be a 15 or a 14. I believe it's a 15. Let's give it a try. It is 15. There it goes. Now you want to aim the stream of oil. It's gonna shoot from there kind of towards there, so we're gonna try and place it in the correct position. So far I'm clean. Got oil all over my gloves, but my hands are clean. My hands, shoes, everything's clean. So I did splash everywhere on the cardboard, which was expected, but we're doing good. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the filter off, let that drain fully. Now put the new filter on and then add oil. Just gonna let that drain a little and then twist it off more. Give it a little more of a twist. Just keep going until it stops dripping. More oil. Try and twist it off a little more. It's super hot. Grab a rag. Let's do it. It's super hot, that's why I gotta use a rag. It's about done draining. Just let it drip some more. In the meanwhile, what I like to do is, since the filter just sits kind of straight up, I'll fill up some oil into the filter so that when you first start it, it already has oil running through it. If we can do it one-handed. Just like that. That's about good. Don't need to completely fill it. Now what you do before you twist it on, lube up this seal around here, just with the oil that you have. That way when you twist it on, it won't grab the seal and it won't rip it apart. It'll just tie itself up, and then the oil just kind of pretty much seals it even better. About halfway full of oil or halfway empty. I'll let you decide. What I'm gonna do first is I'll wipe the surface where the seal sits on. Just make sure there's no debris or anything. And then you just grab a new filter, just kind of twist it on. Be careful to not drop it. There it goes. I have to use 2 hands for this. Gloves actually help a lot. You get more of a grip to it. That way you know that it's for sure in there. Kind of same idea. Have some oil on the seal. It's still kind of dripping out, but the oil wasn't that bad, so should be fine. You don't want this to be super tight, because the last thing you want to do is strip the threads in there. So just kind of feel it. That's about good. And then just kind of wipe it down around. Make sure there's no oil. And then we'll head over to the top. If you got a funnel, use a funnel, because the oil is going to go everywhere. It's about 8 cords there. What I'm gonna do now is kind of just check for level. I know the car is not straight yet, so you can't really know, but at least get it close enough to drive off the ramps, and then if anything, you can always add more. It's at about the correct level. What I'm gonna do now is just drive off. Just like that, to get the truck level on the floor, and then we'll check for level again. We're gonna let it sit for a minute or two for the oil to settle down, and we'll check for level again. For now, I'll just kind of clean everything up. Gonna give it a final check. Wipe it down. Put it back in. Hold it for a second. Take it out. Make sure you've got a good level. Yep, it's right on the level, you can see on the dot. I want to reset the service light. Dismiss. Pretty much you get on this screen. It says 32% remaining. Just click right, reset, enter. 100% remaining. So it's all complete. Check the oil level, everything is good to go. Next thing we're gonna do is give it a wash and detail. That's gonna be in the next video, so stay tuned. Hands are clean. Didn't get oil anywhere other than this small mark here.